Hi there, welcome to our channel where we help you find affordable life insurance. We've helped over 2 million people find coverage for themselves and their families. Getting a life insurance policy as a senior can be a bit daunting. With so many different options available, how do you know which policy is right for you? Luckily for you, we're here to help. In this video, we'll go over the basics of whole life insurance, term life insurance, and annuities, as well as help you decide what type of policy would be best for your individual needs. So if you're a senior looking for life insurance, stay tuned. Life insurance can provide financial security for your loved ones in the event of your death. It can help pay for funeral expenses, outstanding debts, and other final costs, allowing your family to grieve without the added stress of financial uncertainty. As we get older, it's natural to want to protect those around us a little bit more. That's why it's never too late to get life insurance, even if you're already a senior citizen. When it comes to choosing a life insurance policy, it's important to consider your needs and budget. There are many different types of policies available, but two of the most common are term life insurance and whole life insurance. Let's take a look at both of these options. Term life insurance is a type of life insurance that provides coverage for a specific period or term, such as 10, 20, or 30 years. If the insured person dies within the term, the beneficiaries will receive a death benefit. However, if the insured person outlives the term, the policy expires and no death benefit is paid. Term life insurance is generally less expensive than whole life insurance because it provides coverage for a shorter period of time. It's often used by individuals who have a temporary need for coverage, such as when they have a young family or a mortgage. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, provides lifelong coverage and includes an investment component. The investment component allows the policy to grow over time and can provide a tax-free death benefit. Whole life insurance is more expensive than term life insurance, but it offers greater flexibility. Policyholders can borrow against their policy's cash value or use it to purchase additional insurance coverage. So which type of policy is right for you? Well, that depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're a senior who has a young family and wants to ensure that they're taken care of financially, term life insurance may be a good option. On the other hand, if you're a senior who wants lifetime coverage and the ability to invest, whole life insurance may be a better fit. Now that we've gone over the basics of term and whole life insurance, let's take a closer look at each one. Term life insurance is a great option for seniors who are looking for affordable life insurance that provides coverage for a specific period of time. It's important to note that the cost of term life insurance can vary depending on several factors, including age, health, and lifestyle. Generally, the younger and healthier you are, the cheaper your premiums will be. However, there are also other factors that can affect your premium, such as your occupation and whether or not you smoke. For example, if you work in a high-risk occupation, such as construction or logging, your premiums will likely be higher than someone who works in a low-risk occupation, such as teaching. Similarly, if you smoke, your premiums will be higher than someone who doesn't. That's because smoking is a risk factor for many health problems, including cancer and heart disease, which are the leading causes of death in the United States. As a result, life insurance companies use smoking status as a factor when setting premiums. When it comes to choosing a term life insurance policy, it's important to consider the length of coverage, the death benefit amount, and the premium. The length of coverage refers to the number of years that you want to be covered by the policy. The death benefit is the amount of money that will be paid out to your beneficiaries if you die while the policy is in effect. And the premium is the amount of money that you have to pay for the policy. Typically, the longer the length of coverage and the higher the death benefit, the higher the premium will be. If you decide that term life insurance is right for you, there are a few things you can do to lower your premiums. First, you can maintain a healthy lifestyle by eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly and avoiding tobacco products. You can also shop around and compare quotes from different insurers to find the best rates. Additionally, you can increase your premiums by raising your deductible. This means that you'll have to pay more out of pocket if you make a claim, but it can result in lower monthly payments. Whole life insurance is another option for seniors who are looking for life insurance. Unlike term life insurance, whole life insurance provides lifetime coverage. It also includes an investment component, which means that the policy builds cash value over time. The cash value is the amount of money that is accumulated in the policy, and it can be accessed by the policyholder through loans or withdrawals. One of the main advantages of whole life insurance is that it provides lifelong coverage. This means that your beneficiaries will always have access to the death benefit, regardless of how old they are. Another advantage is the investment component. As the policy builds cash value, the policyholder can access the funds through loans or withdrawals. The interest rate on whole life insurance policies is guaranteed, so the cash value is a stable and reliable investment. However, whole life insurance is more expensive than term life insurance. That's because the policy provides lifetime coverage and includes an investment component. Additionally, whole life insurance policies have a surrender charge period, during which the policyholder will have to pay a fee if they cancel the policy. The surrender charge period typically lasts for 10 years, meaning that if you cancel your policy within the first 10 years, you'll have to pay a fee. Despite the higher cost, whole life insurance may be worth it for some seniors. If you're looking for lifelong coverage, or if you want to leave a legacy for your beneficiaries, whole life insurance may be a good option. It's important to shop around and compare quotes from different insurers to find the best rates. You can also work with an insurance broker to find a policy that meets your needs. Finally, there's annuities. Annuities are a type of investment that provides a stream of income either immediately or at some point in the future. They're often used by retirees as a way to supplement their retirement income or to provide for their long-term care needs. There are three main types of annuities: fixed annuities, variable annuities, and index annuities. Fixed annuities provide for a guaranteed income stream for a set period of time or for life. Variable annuities, on the other hand, offer the potential for higher returns, but with more risk. Index annuities, which are a relatively new type of annuity, provide a guaranteed minimum return and offer the potential for higher returns based on the performance of an index such as the S&P 500. Annuities can be complex, and it's important to understand the risks and fees involved before investing. They're typically only suitable for investors who are close to or in retirement and who are looking for a way to supplement their income or to provide for their long-term care needs. Annuities are not FDIC insured, and the value of variable annuities can fluctuate based on market conditions. It's important to work with a financial advisor to determine whether an annuity is right for you and to choose the right type of annuity for your needs. Whether you're looking for term life insurance, whole life insurance, or annuities, there are a number of reputable companies that offer these products. Some of the most well-known life insurance companies include New York Life, Northwestern Mutual, and Mass Mutual. These companies have strong financial ratings and a history of paying claims. When you're shopping for life insurance, it's important to compare quotes from multiple companies to find the best rates. You should also work with an independent agent who can help you find a policy that meets your needs. Finding the right life insurance policy as a senior doesn't have to be overwhelming. By understanding the different types of policies available and working with a reputable company, you can find coverage that meets your needs and budget. Whether you're looking for term life insurance, whole life insurance, or annuities, there are a number of reputable companies that offer these products. Some of the most well-known life insurance companies include New York Life, Northwestern Mutual, and Mass Mutual. These companies have strong financial ratings and a history of paying claims. When you're shopping for life insurance, it's important to compare quotes from multiple companies to find the best rates. You should also work with an independent agent who can help you find a policy that meets your needs. We hope this video was helpful in providing you with information about life insurance for seniors. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our team of experts is here to help you find the right policy for you. Contact us today and start protecting yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and we look forward to helping you find the coverage you need.